Spring. So now I diverted my point to starting point. So every Java developer, how will start our Java program, like using console. So I want to remember sweet memories. So generally whatever input given by the keyboard, that will be displayed in console, and if we wanna do any logic with the input, and that logic will be applied and will be displayed in output. So this is, we know, I don't want to drag anymore. So how to achieve that with Apache Camel? Today we are going to see that program. So whatever program we are going to write in a Camel, we know, like we will have a router where it will pick up the payload based on the request, and it will be processed using transformer. After transforming that payload will be given to the output. So specifically I am specifying payload here. I mean, generally in program will have an input and output, or in terms of Apache Camel or Mule ESP, we'll call it as a payload. So payload will be transferred from input to output. So to support Apache Camel, Apache Camel console program, we have a stream where it will support keyboard, like how we have a buffer stream right in a Java program. In Apache Camel we have a stream where it will accept whatever input is given by the console. So after getting this, see here we are prompting the message to the user, enter something. So whatever user is entering for in console, that will be transformed to the transformer. So in transformer, what payload will be transformed to uppercase. Just I want to show some transformation on top of input. So after transforming input, that we are giving directly to stream out. That means it will display it console after transforming uppercase. Okay, so this is our example, and here we have to keep in mind the stream input, where it will accept console input, and stream out where it will display whatever transformation happened on payload. Okay, this is our application context file, and already we know, right? I mean, we are implementing our Apache Camel program inside application context file, where we have a namespace for Camel program. So Camel is very closely integrated with Spring. As well as I want to cover one more point also. As of now we are covering very basic programs, so I don't want to create a separate Camel context file. So as usual, this is very small program, and I am integrating directly in application context file. Otherwise, if you do more logic, you can create separate camel.xml where you can specify Camel related programs. That Camel XML will be can be imported to application context file. That is actually a very good basic understanding we have to follow. And so as usual, we know, right, if we want to support something, for sure we need a jar which is supported to that. So we'll see what is exactly required. So we know, like Camel core, if whatever we do any basic program, Camel core is mandatory, and we are trying to integrate Camel with the Spring, so this Camel string also required. And as well as we are doing streaming, so console, trying to accept console program, so Camel stream also required. So this is without this one we cannot execute this program. Okay, POM is over, Apache Camel program is done, and what is required next? So how to execute this program? So how we are executing this program? We are trying to load application context file, and using abstract application context, and then we are starting, and we are waiting for some time where it will execute some where it will execute our Apache Camel. So then it is coming up after waiting of this sleep time, it will stop the server. So we'll try to execute this program. How our execution will be: run as Java program. Hello console. See, it is displaying. So how much time I can execute this program? Apache Camel. Oh, my time is got. My time is got over. See, time is over and it printed entered. So time period of execution is completed and context got stopped. So this is Apache Camel. I hope this will give a nice idea. Thank you.